is less than a quarter of a percentage. So, is that really prioritizing education, prioritizing the education sector when you're basically doing half plus 0.25%? Just to say na you care about the future of this country's education. Eh parang 22 billion lang ang dinagdag mo. Kung hindi, parehas sila ng DepEd at ng DPWH. So, that's kind of a disingenuine thing na sinasabi mo na priority namin ang edukasyon. Nagdagdag ka lang ng 22 billion, binawasan mo pa ng 12 billion yung funding nila. Mabuti na nga lang at DPWH ang kasangga ng DepEd sa budget na ito. Kasi I would wild the fuck out because this is nothing to scoff at. But buti na lang, there's some real public infrastructure going on that doesn't just add or widen roads. I mean, it's such a shape. One more road won't fix shit. Especially not an elitist, toll-based system for the rich that only provides relief to the fucking rich. And I can attest to that fact. Malapit kami sa isang highway dito sa Metro Manila. Ang tataas ng mga skyway dito, nakakalula. Mga connector ng NLEX at SLEX. Bihira dumaan ng mga karaniwang tao dito. Kahit ngayong mga trucks, hindi ginagamit yon. Kasi, ang taas ng toll fee. Pwede sa libre yung toll fee.